Today, I am reviewing the Chefman Air Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are taking a close look at an appliance that has officially become an absolute necessity in the modern kitchen. We are diving deep into the Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer, specifically model number RJ38-6T-BLACK. If you are trying to eat healthier, or if you are simply a busy individual looking to whip up quick, easy meals in minutes without waiting forever for a massive kitchen oven to preheat, you will want to listen closely. Let us break down exactly what makes this Chefman model stand out in a heavily crowded market. First, let us address the design and size, because countertop real estate is precious. Chefman has done something incredibly clever with the build here. It features a sleek, narrow, compact profile that minimizes its footprint on your counter or inside your cabinets. Yet, despite its space-saving outer dimensions, it boasts a generous 6-quart internal capacity. This is the absolute sweet spot for families, comfortably serving 3 to 5 people. You can easily pack in a whole chicken, a large batch of chicken wings, or enough roasted vegetables for the entire dinner table, all without occupying your entire counter. Now, let us talk about the cooking performance, because this is where the Chefman really shines. It is a powerful 1700-watt machine that handles any culinary challenge with ease. It features a stunning, intuitive digital touchscreen display that lets you fully customize your cooking times and temperatures. If you want a one-touch meal, it comes equipped with 4 built-in presets that take all the guesswork out of cooking. But the real game-changer here is Chefman's proprietary 450-degree high-fry technology. If you have used older air fryers, you know it can sometimes be tough to get that authentic, deep-fried crunch on the outside of your food without drying out the inside. With high-fry technology, you can blast the heat up to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the final 2 minutes of the cooking cycle. This creates the absolute perfect finishing crunch on things like French fries, mozzarella sticks, or chicken tenders, keeping them incredibly crispy on the outside while remaining perfectly juicy on the inside. To make sure everything cooks evenly, the unit features built-in LED shake notifications. Halfway through the cooking cycle, an audible alarm will sound, reminding you to pull out the basket and shake your food. This guarantees that every single fry and wing gets equal exposure to the rapid hot air, resulting in the crispiest texture possible. And because it requires little to no oil, you can enjoy all your favorite comfort foods with a fraction of the fat and calories. When the meal is done, nobody wants to spend 20 minutes scrubbing a greasy appliance. Chefman made sure cleanup is incredibly simple. Both the 6-quart nonstick basket and the crisping rack are completely dishwasher-safe. The exterior features a timeless, matte black finish that resists fingerprints and easily wipes clean with just a damp cloth. Safety has also been a major priority for Chefman. The unit features built-in automatic shutoff technology. This means the air fryer instantly turns off the moment the timer hits 0 or whenever you pull the basket out to check on your food. It gives you total peace of mind, especially in a busy household with kids running around. Backed by advanced safety technology and a 1-year assurance policy from Chefman, this air fryer beautifully combines speed, performance, and easy maintenance into one elegant package. Thanks for listening. Make sure to check out the links below to grab one for your own kitchen, and we will see you in the next review.